with me, and as you can see, this is a review unit, so nothing is printed here, and I don't even have the pricing info. I'll have the pricing info in the YouTube description area. So let's quickly have a look at this one. And this is the new flagship smartphone that was announced by Honor, and let's just take this out. And it says AI camera, and again this is in this color, which it's a very reflective surface, as you can see, and it has this dual camera setup, and they have even improved the front facing camera, and we have that notch design. But anyways, let's look at what else do we get in the box. So we get a SIM ejector tool, and something should have been there, but that is missing. But again, guys, this is a review unit, so maybe in the retail units you will have a case, but that's not there. And we are also getting a power brick with this one, and this is also Huawei branded. And here is a zoom up of the voltages, as you can see. And we also get a USB Type-C cable with this one. So that's what you get. So that's regarding the box. Let me keep that to the side, and let's look at the handset itself. So this is the handset itself, and this is a little bit more compact. This is having a 5.84-inch screen, so it fits easily in the hand, as you can see. And we also have that notch design, and this also has a fingerprint scanner here on the glass itself. So that is an ultrasonic fingerprint scanner that they have, so that's a new thing. And moving to the back, as you can see, we have the dual camera setup. Let me give you a physical overview. On the top, we have even an IR blaster, secondary noise cancellation microphone. The build quality is metallic, it's good, it's premium, guys. And on the back here we have the volume rockers, power on off button, one speaker, USB Type-C port, 3.5mm headphone jack, and this is the SIM tray. It will be a dual SIM. Let's have a look at this and see if it has a slot for micro SD. So it's just a dual SIM nano, no micro SD card on this, but fortunately this comes with 128GB of internal storage and 6GB of RAM. Anyways, let's just power this on for the first time, and it gave me haptic feedback. And by the time it actually boots up, let me give you a configuration overview. This Honor 10 is having a 5.8-inch Full HD Plus display, which is into 19:9 aspect ratio. It's powered by the Kirin 970 octa-core processor with AI capabilities. It's having 6GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. Moving to the camera, it has a dual rear-facing camera, 24MP and a 16MP, and it's also AI aided. And moving to the front-facing camera, that's also a 24MP front-facing camera, and it's having a 3400 milliampere battery. So guys, I've just finished setting up this device. Again, the UI is similar to Honor and Huawei phones. It's Emotion UI that you are getting, so no app tray by default. This is the stuff that you get, and they have a bunch of apps installed, and yes, it has the IR blaster because we have the IR remote app on this one, and compass and other stuff, as you can see. So there are some apps that are sort of preloaded on this one, as you can see, some games and stuff, and some third-party apps are installed, so a little bit of bloatware is there on this one. And if you go over here, again, quick toggles, and again, this is a sort of a flagship smartphone by Honor, so it has everything like NFC and other stuff. And let's just go to the settings and see. If you go to about the device, system, and about the phone, as you can see, it's running on the Android version 8.1, so that's a nice thing. And even the EMIUI version is 8.1, but you get Oreo out of the box, and it comes with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. And it says out of that 128GB, 116GB is sort of free. So that's regarding the storage that you're going to get on this one. So that's what you get. And again, if you have used any Honor device, you will be familiar with the UI. So this is the home screen, and let's check this fingerprint scanner. Actually, if you see, it's not a physical button, it's placed on the glass. They say it's ultrasonic fingerprint scanner. Let's test that. I've set it up, and as you can see, it unlocks the device actually very quickly. So yeah, they should have actually gone and put it on the screen itself, like Vivo demonstrated it. But yeah, this is the ultrasonic fingerprint scanner that you are getting. So it's a new thing. Maybe in the next versions, you will actually have it on the screen itself. So that's what you get. And moving to the back, it's having that dual camera setup, and also it has that notch design, so it will also have the face unlocking and other stuff that you expect. Now let's move to the camera, and they say that it's having that AI camera because of the Kirin 970 SoC. And not only the rear facing camera has AI capabilities, they claim that even the front facing camera has AI capabilities. So let's look at the camera, and they're projecting this phone as a camera centric smartphone. I'll just allow everything for now, and again gives us an idea about AI photography, it says before, and with the AI, so it auto detects the stuff that we have, and based on that, again, as you can see, the shutter speed is fast as expected. And we have this, what is this, AI photography. It says you can enable it or disable it from this toggle that you have, and obviously it also has the depth and all those things. AI photography disabled, it says. This is that depth moving photographs that you can see, and we also have 1x and 2x zoom, as you can see. So that is also there. It should have been placed here, but again it's over here. So you have 1x and 2x, and we also have a dedicated portrait mode with this one, and we even have an aperture mode. This is generally fine with Honor devices, where you can actually adjust the aperture, and you can go down to 0.95. If you have a thing close, you can actually do that, and the background will be sort of blurred like this, as you can see. So all those options are there, and initial impressions, the camera actually looks to be good. They were also talking a lot about the front facing camera. Let me just go back to the normal mode, photo mode, and they say that it's a 24 megapixel, and we have the portrait mode. As you can see, mirror on, mirror off option it asks us. So we have the regular mode, this is the photo, regular mode, portrait mode we have, and they should also have AI mode in this camera, because they have this by default. As you can see, the beauty level is a little bit high, so you've got to adjust that. We also have the aperture mode. No, aperture mode is not there for the front facing camera, it went back, as you can see. And let's just go back over here, and we have this something called the 3D mode. So this is interesting. No lighting, soft lighting. Oh, this is actually very interesting. This we found on the iPhone 10. So we have the lighting effects, which is actually pretty impressive. So let me do one thing, guys. Let me take some sample shots with this device so that you can have a better idea. But before that, here is a word from the sponsor of this video, that is MIUI.in. MIUI Thunderbeat Bluetooth earphones look stylish with metallic body. You can take phone calls, and it supports passive noise cancellation. The ear hooks fit securely and stay in place even when you are working out or running. With Qualcomm CSR Bluetooth IC, the music quality is amazing and has great battery life. It has HD stereo sound with super solid bass. It supports aptX codec with lossless wireless audio. Use coupon code GeekyRanjit15 at MIUI.in to get 15% discount on all MIUI products. See link in the description below for more info. So here are some of the sample shots shot with the Honor 10 and artificial lighting in my office. And these were a sample shot shot with the front facing camera. And as you can see, I've applied the different modes, and yes, it actually makes quite a bit of a difference. And definitely initial impressions, the 24 megapixel front facing camera looks to be actually really good. And here are some of the sample shots shot with the rear facing camera. These are the sample shots shot outdoor in my roof garden, and here are some of the sample shots shot in indoor lighting conditions, and here are some other sample shots shot in my office in artificial lighting conditions. So indeed, the camera looks to be the highlighting point about this device. So guys, that's it for now for the unboxing and first look at this Honor 10. Do let me know what do you think about the same, and again, I'll have the info regarding the pricing and availability in the description area. So guys, that's it for now for this video, and if you're still not subscribed to my YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching. This is Ranjit, and I hope to see you in my next video. Take care, guys.